top of my game. I'm who they hate. This shit come with the fame. That's how I knew that I made it. I woke up looking this good. I'm in my prime. These niggas gotta get played. If these bitches ain't bad, I need to go harder. I can't let them think we the same. Can't sitting up like a horse.
Hi guys, it's Janaya. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going off of a different vibe. We're gonna do a soft glam look because people always be like, oh, how you do your makeup and da 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 da. So today, I'm finna show y'all how to do a simple glam look. And you wanna start with moisturizing your face so that you can have, like, it can stick to your face in a sense. You don't wanna have no messy, sloppy makeup. So let's go moisturize our face. So what I do is I use this cocoa butter formula. I get a little bit on my finger and I just put dots all around my face like so that my face could be a little bit of moisture. Like, I don't want no dry face. But yeah, gotta put the dots. After that, you wanna rub it on in, rub it on in, rub it on in, rub it on in, rub it on in. And once you have your moisture on your face, make sure you don't have it like this. You have to actually get into it and rub it in your face like this. Okay guys, so as y'all can see, I did just rub it all in. And why is my lights glitching? Hold on. Anyways guys, yeah, as y'all can see, I do have it all rubbed in. Now we get into the makeup. So y'all, I like to do a no foundation look. So I use concealer. I don't use foundation because I feel like it's cakier and it makes it look like makeup in a sense. Even though makeup always look like makeup. Yeah. Now my makeup bag is so cute. Match my bag. Well, it was made up, but yeah. Okay guys, so you want to take your concealer, and I use the concealer shade Toast and Ruby Kisses. As you can see, Ruby Kisses Toast. And I also use this shade, and it's called Warm Honey. And you want to put warm, if you want a light under eye, you put Warm Honey right here. If you want a dark under eye, and you switch. But since today I want to go for like a light under eye, so I'm gonna switch the two and I'm gonna put it like this. I'm gonna put Warm Honey first and Toast right there. And if you see me looking right there, that's a mirror. That's a mirror, so don't get in my case. Y'all, you don't want to put too much because it's a light. You never want to put too much because it's a light concealer. You put some right here and some on your chin. You do the same thing with the other side. Some right here. And then, yeah. This is where you place the light concealer. You place it right here up under. Yeah. And then you want to go in with your darker concealer. And, ooh, I can't open it. My hand's so slippery. You want to go in with your dark concealer and put it around here. Like so. You want more of the dark concealer because that's more my shade. I'm a brown skin girl. Brown skin girl. It smells like pearls. Best thing in the world. Okay. Now it should look like this. Now you want to get your beauty sponges. I usually let it sit, but no, we're not doing that today. Usually you're gonna get your beauty sponges and you're gonna get this one. You're just gonna pat it out. This is to clean it up and this is to pat it out. Make sure you get sponges that looks like this. You get this and you just pat. Make sure you just get around your eye first and then you go down. Y'all, so after y'all see I blended it a little, ooh, hold on. I had to blend it. Now you want to go back with this and you just clean this up right here. Because you don't want nothing too crazy looking. And after that, you want to blend your chin up on it. Like you go upwards. Upwards, both sides. Upwards, 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 upwards. You're going to do the same thing with this part of your face. The, what is it called? The lip, top lip. You go downwards, 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 downwards. Okay. And after that, Go with this side, you blend it. So let me blend this and get back to y'all when I'm starting on the next step. Okay, y'all, so this side is blended. As you can see, it's very much blended, but you know, we're not done yet. We definitely not done yet. So then you want to get your powder, your setting powder, and you want to put it up under your eye like this, going in an L shape, like that way, and blend it out and let it sit and then puff it out. Yeah. So I have my powder, and it's in the shade Polvo Celador. I don't know if that's a shade or it's just the powder, but it's like a darker kind of powder. And usually I would use a bigger brush, but you're just gonna get this brush and you're just gonna do this. Just trace where you want the powder to be at. Trace where you want the powder to be at. This gonna take a minute though, because I usually go in with a bigger brush than this. So actually, I will be back. I'm finna use a bigger brush. This one is a little. Actually, no, we're gonna go back in with this and we're gonna just pat it and then just use it like that. Yeah, that's way better. Pat it a little bit and put it like this. And once you have that right there, you do the same thing to the other side. And while I'm letting that sit, I go in with my contour palette and a small brush. I use this one. I go in with this brush and I use the darkest shade. You can mix the two, but I use the darkest shade. And I'm just gonna do a little bit of nose contour. I don't do this all the time, but I'm doing this for this video because if you want a full soft glam look, then you would use the contour that I use. So you wanna get it? Ooh, it's a little dirty right there. Get it? You can see. You wanna go start at the top of your eye and go down like so. See that? It makes a huge difference in the look, okay? You wanna cross over like this, like that. And then you wanna get in with this and you wanna shape the bottom nose like that. So it can be a little snatched. Be snatched. You gotta make sure you really get into the nose contour. You don't want it to be too wonky. You want it to like look a mess. This is the most important step, y'all. Is getting in this nose right, okay? It's the most important step. Okay, guys, I'm gonna blend that out, but now it's time to brush this powder off so I can do the contour for the bottom half of my face. Use a bigger brush and you would just knock the powder off like that. Ooh, that went in my eye. Okay, so now that I knocked the powder off, now I go in with my contour palette again and I'm going to put the darkest shade again and I'm just going to shape my face right here. Shape my face. Same thing with this. Shape my face. Like a little L. Also, I go in with the top part and I shape my face. Just do it like that. Because I don't like having makeup up there. I don't know, I just don't. Do a little cheekbone. Cheekbone. Okay, now all you have to do is just blend it out. So you want to get another small brush and you're just going to blend it out. Like so. I'm gonna make sure I really blend this out because it's gonna be crazy if I don't. Get out. Blend it out. Once you do that, you just blend in your nose contour as so. Blend it in. Blend it in. Guys, as you can see, that is how that looks. Now we go in with the blush, and it don't matter what type of blush you use, but I use this blush and it's called Ruby Kisses. I love me some Ruby Kisses. Ruby Kisses Velvet. And I put one right here, one dot right here in the middle of my hand. So I get this, which is my thingy. I rub that in and I apply it going upwards. Well, I put it mostly right here. Take it, put it more up right here. It's gonna take a minute to kick in, but it kicks in. When it kicks in, it kicks in. As you can see, it kick in. Upward, 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 like so. And then you wanna go in with the other side, and you wanna do the same thing. Okay, also, as y'all can see, this is how it looks, and it looks really good. Now, This part, it's a hit or miss. You gotta really eat. Like, you really want your makeup to look good, the lip combo gotta be T. So let's get into this lip combo. Alright, so I'm back with my combo, and this is dark brown, and it is Diana pencil. And then this one is, I don't know the shade of this one because the thing wiped off. And then this one is NYX Butter Gloss, and it is the shade Eclair. So you get this, right? Just outline your lips like a regular, like you do it regular day-to-day basics. You just on it like this. You have it on your lips. Yeah. So that the product can get in there. I'm talking about it. And then you go in with your darker pink and you put it in the middle. The little goes a long way. Put a little more though. And it'll give this kind of look. Then you go in with your Eclair, your slide right in a minute, boom, sorry. You go in with your Eclair and you put some right here. Blend that. This look like this. So after that, you get your lip gloss, and I use strawberry from Lip Gel from NK. I use strawberry because it's just great. It's great. Get this, and you put that on. Like so. And yeah, guys, this is the makeup tutorial. I hope y'all enjoy, and I hope y'all really like this makeup look. Bye, guys. Hold on, let me show y'all how it looks.
Since you think I don't love you, I just thought you were cute. That's why I kiss you. Got a fighter jet, I don't get to fly it though. I'm lying down thinking about.
Okay, guys. Bye, guys.